This is a somatic tracking for dizziness. Somatic tracking is a skill from pain reprocessing therapy where we're trying to intentionally approach the sensations of pain, fatigue, or dizziness, or any other symptom. We're approaching them and we're trying to cultivate a gentleness, a lightness, a compassion with the sensations. Often when we attend to our symptoms, we attend with fear, frustration, despair, annoyance, anger. And with somatic tracking, we're trying to rewire the brain to have a different emotional response to it. And by having a different emotional response to it, the sensations over time can actually start to reduce. But take the pressure off with any somatic tracking that you find on this channel, or if you're doing somatic tracking in therapy with your therapist, the goal isn't to make the symptom go away right in the moment. We want to have this outcome independence where we're doing it independent of the outcome. We're trying to not force the symptom to go down. We're not trying to force it to go away. Instead of what we're trying to do is we're approaching it with that gentleness, curiosity, compassionate feel, and cultivating safety with it. And by feeling a little bit safer with it, a little bit calmer, a little bit more relaxed, we get this little healing win. And you get enough healing wins, and over time, your symptom can start to reduce. So this practice, best to be done when it's mild to moderate. Definitely mild to moderate. You don't want to be doing this during a dizziness flare. Try it when it's mild to moderate, and then you can work your way up to a little bit more intense. I find if the sensations are too intense, it's just too much and you're never going to feel safe with the sensation. Now, this audio track that I'm about to play comes from my course, The Somatic Safety Method. In that digital course, we have over 60 plus somatic practices and brain retrainings there. So I have some on the channel, but I have a whole bunch of them in this course that we've created. It also has over 10 plus hours of educational videos, and it's structured. It's structured in a way that helps you kind of have this flow as you work through and try to heal your chronic pain or chronic symptoms. So I'll put the link down below that you can all check out. Currently, we have a Heal for the Holiday sale. So it's 20% off until a certain date. I'm forgetting the date right now, but I think it's December 25th. But you can check out that link if you're interested in getting it at this discounted rate. So let's dive in to the somatic tracking for dizziness. Somatic tracking for dizziness. This is best used when your dizzy sensations are at a mild to moderate level. Begin by closing your eyes or lowering your gaze. Practice first slowing down your breathing. Inhale deep into your belly, allowing the belly to expand. And as you exhale, allow your exhale to be slow and long. Allow yourself to settle into your body with each exhale. Now, begin to scan your body slowly from the top of your head to the bottom of your feet. And notice where in your body are you feeling the sensations of dizziness. Practice bringing curiosity and interest to the sensations, and notice where they start and end in your body. How would you describe the sensations? Are they spinning, bobbing, rocking, off balanced, or unsteady? During this practice, I want you to focus on the unpleasant sensations, but I don't want you to lock onto them with laser focus. Imagine how you would view a sunset, how you would softly focus on the colors of red, yellow, and pink in the sky, how you would view the sunset with ease and curiosity, noticing how the colors in the sky would change moment to moment. See if you can have this same soft curiosity as you observe the sensations of dizziness occurring in your body. Slow down your breathing, feeling a release and an ease each time you exhale, and lightly observe the sensations. Soften your gaze to be wider, relax your jaw, drop your shoulders, and allow yourself to explore the sensations with lightness, ease, and curiosity. Explore the sensations even further by noticing what shape, size, color, and texture they are. And if the sensations are hard to focus on right now, could you focus more on the edges of the sensations instead of right in the center of them? As you are curious about the sensations, what do you notice? Do they increase, decrease, move, or change in any way? Again, it doesn't matter what the sensations are doing right now. We're just practicing approaching and tracking them with ease. I know right now it feels like something is going wrong in your body, causing this dizziness to take place. However, all the systems within your body are working completely fine. The sensations you're experiencing are actually completely safe and neutral. Your brain has just been misinterpreting what is going on in your body for a long time due to being in a state of survival or danger. You have lots of evidence your dizziness is neuroplastic. So there is actually nothing we need to change in your body, as there is no damage. For a moment, perhaps remind yourself of some of your neuroplastic evidence to show your brain that the body is actually safe. Keep slowing down your breathing, and each time you exhale, allow yourself to sink into your body, but sink in with a sense of safety. Allowing yourself to embody a feeling of safety and ease while attending to the sensations. What do you notice about the sensations? Have they increased, decreased, moved, or changed in any way? Again, we're just working towards cultivating safety with the sensations. The sensations of dizziness are like snow falling in the sky. Sometimes the snow is gently falling, and other times we're stuck in the middle of a blizzard. For a long time, you've been shivering in the cold. However, the snow can also be very beautiful. Just watch your sensations like snow falling in the sky, glistening in the light. Imagine you're a young child playing in the snow. My 6-year-old son is always making snow angels and trying to catch snowflakes on his tongue. Just imagine having this playful energy as you watch the sensations of dizziness taking place in your body. Check in again on the sensations. Have they increased, decreased, moved, or changed? Do you notice yourself feeling calmer or safer as you attend to the sensations. Finally, finish this practice by bringing love and compassion to the sensations of dizziness. Place one hand on your chest and one hand on your stomach. Slow down your breathing, feeling your stomach and chest rising and falling. Feel the warmth of your touch soften and soothe the sensations of dizziness within. When you're ready, you can open your eyes and come back to the room.